What's up everybody, Tiffany Outdoors here. Today we're going to mix up some soil and make some terrariums. Let's do this. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
For this terrarium mix, and I've had a lot of success with this, I have some peat moss, some cocoa coir, sphagnum moss, a little bit of play sand, orchid bark. You can use perlite or vermiculite. And I have, what is this? This is organic potting soil with no fertilizer in it. Alright, I'm going to get my sprayer out, wet this up really good, and get this nice and mixed. These first three items are really good at helping retain moisture. That's the peat moss, the cocoa coir, and sphagnum moss. This will help retain moisture really well. And this peat moss takes a while for it to get wet. It's a little hydrophobic, so it takes a while for the water to soak in. Same with the coir. Got my soil all mixed. It looks really good. Alright, now for the moss. Got some moss in this bag here, y'all. I'm a little embarrassed to say this, but I went to our local mall and picked this moss up out of the parking lot. It was a little embarrassing, and luckily nobody that I know saw me. Oh goodness, I can't even describe the way I felt getting this moss, but I got some. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is I got a paintbrush here, and I'm gonna brush the dirt off of it because it's been in this bag rolling around, so I need to brush this dirt off. So that's what it looks like before, and then these three pieces I've already brushed off. So yeah, just have a simple paintbrush here. I need both hands, so I'm going to set this tripod up and show you guys what I'm doing. Now that all of the dirt has been wiped off, I'm going to give this a nice good water. This will help rinse more of the dirt off and hydrate it. We've been having some rain here lately, so it should be pretty well hydrated already. I'm going to give it a nice water. Hopefully there's no bugs in here. I didn't see any. Let's see, got a brown spot here. I can't tell if that's dirt or dead moss. I think that's dead moss there. I can cut that part away. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a bit. Keep an eye on it, see if any bugs come up. And then we're going to plant our terrarium. I got my tools laid out. Now, let's crack this open. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take the lid and use that as a guide to cut my mesh screen for the bottom. First, I'm going to put these leaka balls in a single layer in the bottom. Put my mesh in. And on top of that is my charcoal layer. Now we're ready for soil. I want this to be higher on the sides and low in the front and middle. This is a different type of look that I'm going for this time. Kind of like a valley. I'll be using some of this dragon stone. I love this stuff. This is my favorite. Maybe just one piece. Use this little spoon to scoop small amounts of substrate to pack it in around the stone to make it look like it's been there for a while. Kind of want it semi-buried. Now for the moss. This moss looks amazing. Look how green that is. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. All right. Try and get this in here. Oh, I'm living this, y'all. This here is going to be the front area. I'm going to fill this up with some beach sand and put some more rocks in. Got these nice small pieces of dragonstone for accent. I just saw something. I can put some, there's a hole in here. I could put some soil in there and wedge a piece of moss in there too. I think that'll look quite nice. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh, that looks really good. Now to scoop out this dirt. I got into the sand. Put in a few accent stones. Let's give this a nice water, and then we'll close it up. I'm just going to wipe this down with a microfiber cloth.